Welcome to Maths class. Today the topic of our learning is measurement, and objective of our today's learning is to know how to convert kilometers into meters and meters into centimeters. Now let us see the conversion. Children, you have to remember this conversion for further sums. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now let us learn how to convert kilometers into meters. Now again remember that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So our first sum is 4 kilometers. Now children, again you have to remember 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 4 kilometers will be 4000 meters. That means we will add 3 zeros with the number. Our next sum is 9 kilometers. Now again 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 9 kilometers will be 9000 meters. That is, again we will add 3 zeros. So answer is 9000 meters. Now our next sum is 12 kilometers. Now children, I hope you have already understood the concept. So again we will add 3 zeros with 12. So the answer will be 12,000 meters. Children, you have to keep in mind the units. Next is 3 kilometers and 215 meters. Now here you have to understand very carefully, children. For 3 kilometers we would be adding 3 zeros with 3. 3 kilometers is equal to 3000 meters. So now 215 meters is already given. So instead of using those 3 zeros, we will use these 3 digits. So the answer will be 3215 meters, like this. Now our next sum is 4 kilometers and 741 meters. Again we will write 4 for 4 kilometers, and instead of using those 3 zeros we will use 741. So answer will be 4741 meters. Now we will understand how to convert meters into centimeters. Children, remember 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. That is, we will add 2 zeros now. Now our first sum is 5 meters. So what will be the answer? 500. We have added 2 zeros with the number. 1 meter, 100 centimeters. So 5 meters is equal to 500 centimeters. Now next sum is 9 meters. Now we will write 9 and add 2 zeros. Answer will be 900 centimeters. Now children, next sum is 12 meters and 63 centimeters. Now 12 meters is equal to how many centimeter? 1200. That means adding 2 zeros. But here we will not add zeros because those 2 zeros will be replaced by 63. So the answer will be 1263. Now look at this next sum. 3 meters 48 centimeters. Now 3 meters is equal to 300 centimeters, and instead of adding 2 zeros we will write 48. So answer will be 348 centimeters. Next is 28 meters and 36 centimeters. Now children, 28 meters means 2800 meters. So again we will add 36 instead of 2 zeros. So the answer will be 2836 centimeters. I hope you have understood the topic. Now next conversion is convert into meters and centimeters. Now we are not converting meters into centimeters. We are converting into meters and centimeters. Again you have to remember 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, or we can say 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Now children, look at the first sum. 5163 centimeters. Now children, as you remember that we used to add two zeros or the two digits at the end given in the sum. Similarly, here we will do the opposite. Here we are given 5163 centimeters. Now, how many zeros are there in centimeters? 2. So, we will take the last two digits of these numbers, that is 63, and separate them. So, what will be the answer? 51 meters will be there and 63 centimeters. So, answer is 51 meters 63 centimeters. Now, our next sum is 3943 centimeters. Now children, again what we will do? We will mark the last two digits of the given statement and separate them. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 39 meters and 43 centimeters. Now look at the next sum. 1548 centimeters. Now again we will separate the numbers. Last two digits we will write for centimeters because there are two zeros. So what will be the answer? 15 meters and 48 centimeters. For next sum, 975. Again separate the last two digits. Children, do not forget to take the two digits from the back hand side. So for the last two digits we will write centimeters. So answer will be 9 meters 75 centimeters. Now next sum is 213 centimeters. Again we will separate the two digits from the back hand side. Children, keep in mind that why we are separating two digits? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters and in 100 there are two zeros. But if there is kilometers and meters, we would be separating three digits because it has 1000 has three zeros. Now do not get confused in these sums. Now let us do for 213. We will separate the last two digits. What are these? 13. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 2 meters and 13 centimeters. I hope you have understood the topic. But once we will see the copy approach and understand again. Okay children, now we are going to start with the copy approach of conversion. First of all, draw margins, write down date, homework, and our topic is conversion. And our exercise 1 is convert kilometers into meters from bigger unit to a smaller unit. Now first sum is 3 kilometers. Now children, first of all we will remember that how many meters are there in 1 kilometer. As we have learnt, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So how many meters will be there in 3 kilometers? If 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 kilometers, so 3 kilometers is equal to 3000 meters. That means after 3 we will put 3 zeros and we will write meters. Okay, now leave one line. Number 2. Suppose our sum is 6 kilometers and 315 meters. Now children, what we have done? When it was only single digit, that means only one unit, 3 kilometers, we have added 3 zeros. Now here 6 kilometers are there, and if only 6 kilometers will be there, we will add 3 zeros, but now those 3 digits are already given. So what we will do? We will write these both numbers together, like for 6 kilometers, that is 6000 meters, 6315 meters. These three will write in the place of 3 zeros. Now suppose our next sum is 8 kilometers and 700 meters. Again, for 8 kilometers, 8,000 meters, and at the place of these three zeros, we will write these three digits only. That means 8 kilometers 700 meters is 8,700 meters. I hope you understand. Now, what is our next sum? Convert. First of all, leave one line, write down exercise 2. Now we will convert CONVERT, convert meters into centimeters. Now for this we will have to remember how many centimeters are there in 1 meter. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter, not 1000 children. Now let us suppose our first sum is 4 meters is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 4 meters will be 400 centimeters. 4, and we will add 2 zeros and write down centimeters. Now leave one line, sum number 2. For example, our sum is 6 meters 35 centimeters. If this comes, what you have to do? For 6 meters, there are 600 centimeters, and at the place of these 2 zeros, we will write these 2 digits, that is 635 centimeter. Now leave one line, put number 3. Suppose our next sum is 10 meters and 63 centimeters. Now for 10 meters, that is 1000 centimeters. So it will be 1063 centimeters, because at the place of these 2 zeros which we add to a single digit after with meters, we will put these 2 digits, 1063 centimeters. I hope till here you are clear. Now our next conversion is, go to next page, write down exercise 3. Now we have to convert into meters and centimeters. Meters and centimeters. Now children, it is not convert meters into centimeters. We have to convert into meters and centimeter. That means a sum will be given into centimeter units. Suppose the sum is 382 centimeter. Okay. Now we used to add 2 zeros after the digit. Now similarly, we will circle the 2 digits from backside. That means these 2 digits are for centimeter and this is for meters. So we will write 3 meters and 82 centimeters. Now our next sum is 3943, that is 3943 centimeters. Again, for meters and centimeters, we have to circle the 2 digits from backside because we used to add 2 zeros. So what will be the answer? 39 meters and 43 centimeters. I hope you understand. Children, one more exercise we will do for kilometers and meters, that is convert into kilometers and meters, not into meters. Now let us suppose our first sum is 4859 meters. Now as we used to add 3 zeros for kilometers into meters, we will circle the last 3 digits. Why? Because this one is for kilometers and these are for meters. That is 4 kilometers. Remember children, your K should be capital. And 859 meters. Last sum we will do, that is 13405 meters. Again, how many digits we will circle? 3. So the answer will be 13 kilometers and 405 meters. Now children, I hope you are clear with the copy approach and conversion also. Children, keep practicing the sums given in your SNAP homework. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you class.